Meaning of goodish.
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 Goodish. Goodish is an informal word that is commonly used in spoken English to express a sense of moderate approval or satisfaction. It essentially means a degree of goodness that is above average, but not quite excellent. For example, if a meal at a restaurant is goodish, it means that it was enjoyable, but not outstanding. Similarly, if a painting is described as goodish, it means that the artwork was decent, but not exceptional. Overall, goodish is a colloquial term that conveys a sense of mild positivity towards something without being overly enthusiastic about it.